Don't worry, Maryam. I have a stick to push it away. That's a close one. Now we can get the fish. See how I can get the fish? So we can get the fish now. That one, pink one. These look very yummy. Dang, that wild cats are crazy. These look very yummy. I can't wait till we eat them. Yay! We're all done! Let's look for some wild birds. There's one. There's one over there. Well, I'm a little hungry, by the way. Let's go and eat. Applesauce. Yummy. All done. Let me put some ketchup. Even on the others. There's more corn. This burger is super good. Let me try some corn. Look, I took a bite out of it. That did taste pretty good. Let's make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's so cold, it's so cold. Maryam, our hands are so cold. Let's put on some gloves. I can't take it off. I'm gonna eat some chili. I'm so scared. Let's see what it tastes like in the burger. Let's cut it first so we can put on the burger. And now let's put it all inside. Gonna eat it! Gonna eat it! Gonna I didn't know that was gonna happen. Let's have some chili one more time. Try some too. Do you like it? If you like it, tell me. If you don't like it, maybe just throw it up. But it's still good, I'm sure. Just like what I said in the video, throw up. It's getting much more cold and it's getting a little dark. I didn't drink the juice yet, and I didn't even drink coffee. Let's cut it. Kids, be careful with knives, because these knives are really dangerous. I'm going to try to find some more wild animals with my binoculars. Oh, there's one over there. I found a wild leopard. Oh no! We need to make a fire to scare it away. We need to make a fire to cook the fish. We forgot to eat the fish. Oh no! Okay, it's time to cook the fish. So it won't be that hot. looks toasty and good. It tastes better than ever. Tastes like nice chicken with salt and pepper. Now it's scary story time. Woo! So once upon a time, there was a family that was driving in the forest, and then they bumped into a big, hairy, brown thing on the floor, and they didn't know. So they thought it was dead. So they put it on the car. But then, when they were driving, they saw it appear on their window going on their window, and they saw it, and it went back up. What was that, Maryam? What was it? We better get in the tent. Now let's go to the tent because it's really scary sound. Hurry! 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 I think we should look for the monster. I hear Maryam in trouble. I think the monster took her. Let's go find the monster so we can find my little sister. It's over here. She's here. Okay, it's
Walk
not
slowly.
there.
Look everywhere.
Maybe she's here. Let me check over here. She's not there, and even the monster's not there. No, not there. I heard something. I heard the monster again. I have to be brave to catch my sister, so I can't be too scared. So, I heard the voice from there, so I think the monster's there and my sister's there. And I even heard my sister screaming. And I heard the sound from there, so let's just look over there to see it. Maryam, Maryam, where are you? Maryam, where are you? Where are you? Maryam, where are you? Maryam, where are you? Maryam, you were here this whole entire time? And we thought there was a monster, but the monster is our kitty cat Winter? Oh, gosh. Maryam. Don't put them all in